So I'm at Beyond the House in Russell today, and I'm going to take you on a tour because we're going to see their space, and also they're going to be a new retailer of my first ABC book of houseplants. Okay, I want to show you something really sweet. I have these mini indoor gardens in a planter, so already set up arrangements. They have these hand-painted plates and bowls. They're so cute. I'm with Kareen here at Beyond the House. She's one of the managers here, and I thought, why not ask her a few questions? And so one of the first questions I'd like to ask Kareen, how long have you been working at Beyond the House?
So I started at Beyond the House 12 years ago, which was about 6 months after they opened at this location.
Wow. Okay, so you've seen this place evolve throughout the years. I'm here, and it's not just a plant shop. It's actually a lifestyle shop. Has it always been like that? How have you seen the space evolve throughout the years?
It has definitely evolved, and it has definitely grown over the years. When we first started, we have our outdoor nursery, perennials, trees, all that. Indoors, we always had indoor plants and pots, and we had a bit of giftware sort of thing, but that has evolved a lot sort of thing, where now we've added in even a clothing line that we're carrying here now, as well as additional gifts and more plants, plant arrangements, all that sort of stuff, because the interest has grown over the years, and we're a one-stop shop.
That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. And so as we gear up for the holidays, is there anything that you want to share with our community?
Yeah, come on out. We do big Christmas here. We have our Christmas open house the first weekend of November, where everything is decorated to the nines, and you can come on out and enjoy some fellowship with us. You know, we have coffee and we have tastings and all sorts of stuff that goes on, and free draws. So you want to start off and have some fun in the holiday season with us.
Amazing. And one of the exciting news is that Beyond the House is going to be one of my first ABC Book of Houseplants retailers. And so that is exciting if you're looking for an extra gift during the holidays for a little planter. Well, you know where to come. Thank you so much, Kareen.
You're very welcome, and we're very excited to have your books here in the store, because there's lots of children and young people that have a lot of enthusiasm towards plants. So this will help them a lot.
Thank you so much.